Today we're talking about something really unique that may be the future of our industry, the Impulse Induction Cooktop. Have you seen it yet?
So I've seen it, very unique, just a lot of unique parts of it as far as how powerful it is, how it operates as far as kind of the power. So let's just get right into it. I mean, their claim is basically it's 3 times as powerful as any induction cooktop on the market is what they're saying.
No, it's not. It's 3 times more powerful than an average induction burner at about 3,700 watts. But induction burners have changed. BlueStar 7,400 watts. Yeah. This is 10,000. This is super fast. And that's what you're there's a lot to like about this cooktop. A, it's battery operated, which means like if the power goes out, you got the battery. And this thing, they're a technology company. When you look at the controls and how you power it up, you could set it to power itself up like at 2 in the morning when the electric rates are the cheapest, right? So you get 10,000, you get electric. So now you're not talking about mostly 40, 50 amps. Wolf's got 100 amps. You're not using all that amperage, but you can convert it to 220 as well, right? So it pretty much checks all the boxes. It's got good technology. It's 10,000, and any induction is going to simmer really better than any gas. It's just the way it is. I know gas people think that's, you know, a travesty. You're somehow lying about it, but it's great. The downsides to it is we had 3 here. The first 2 didn't make it past the second one. Third one did. So I'm willing to bet that if they figure it out, it looks like they have, this may be a cooktop you might be interested in. But I'm not sure about the battery in case it doesn't work. This is also, what is it, 200 pounds to this cooktop?
Yeah.
So has to be installed right.
Correct, yep.
You know. The service aspect is still, I mean, we'll service it, but the service aspect is still undetermined of what that looks like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 years from now, and how that battery actually lasts. But in terms of everything else, I'd like to see a griddle burner, but I imagine you can fire up both of those powerful burners and make a griddle work and just have that little gap there, and I'm sure it'll be fine. But this is really an exciting development for our industry, I think.
It's very different. Knob driven, but it's kind of had those cool removable knobs too.
It's magnetic.
Exactly.
So you can take them off and clean them. Yeah. So it doesn't have like that thing on it where you got to clean underneath it. They really thought everything through. So would I buy it now?
Yeah.
Well, not so sure. I'd buy it from a place that would be able to swap it, certainly. What this looks like in a few years, I don't know. But for right now, the tech is really impressive. Yeah. You know, thought it through. Whether it works in the long term is, I don't know.
Yeah, and being so new too, certainly it's absolutely at the higher end of the price point. It's $7,000 for a 36-inch cooktop right now. So certainly going to be more expensive than most others that are out there.
What do we have, 4,500 for our most expensive at this point?
Yeah, I mean, Freedom's going to be a little bit more. Freedom's going to be about 5,500, I think, right now.
The whole Freedom cooktop is the one where you can go side to side and it follows. Very interesting piece of technology, but the wattage is nowhere near of this one. Closest would be on a cooktop, I think, is either the Miele at 7,400 or that hot burner from SKS at 7,000. To give you an idea, a 7,000 watt induction will boil water over at around 3 minutes and 27 seconds, right? A 23,000 BTU gas burner will do it in about 13 minutes and 30 seconds only in a rolling bore. So induction is way more powerful, and this is even more powerful than that. So very interesting cooktop.
Yeah, absolutely.
So that's what we got to say about the Impulse. We're looking forward to actually, well, you guys make the decision whether it's sold here or not, but I think it's interesting. I mean, whether you want to adopt it or not this early, it's up to you.
It can be risky with new technology, like any new technology for sure.
But I'll tell you, it's super fast, super interesting.